Hi, welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today we will discuss where are Shein clothes made. So Shein's clothing is primarily manufactured in China with a significant concentration of factories in Guangzhou. This region serves as a central hub for the company's production activities. In recent years, Shein has expanded its manufacturing footprint to other countries, including Turkey and Brazil, to diversify its supply chain and reduce reliance on Chinese production. Despite these expansions, the majority of Shein's products continue to be produced in China. The company has faced some allegations regarding its labor practices and sourcing, particularly concerning allegations of forced labor linked to cotton sourced from China's Xinjiang region. These concerns have prompted calls for increased transparency and ethical oversight in Shein's supply chain operations. So that's basically it. I hope you find this video helpful. Please leave the thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. See you later. Bye bye.